Hello, I want to try this chicken mushroom wrap from this restaurant in Amman called Shahid, and it's really close to my house. We can walk there. I never tried this before. I tried their shawarma and it's really good. The shawarma is really good, so I thought I'd try something new. It's not a wrap actually, it's just like a sandwich. Chicken, mushroom, like with some sauce, like mushroom sauce. And it also comes with fries and a drink. Oh, right. So it's two sandwiches, some fries, some pickles, and a garlic sauce we call tawame. And this whole meal, my kids ordered chicken shawarma meals, like the same thing, but with chicken shawarma. 3 chicken shawarma wraps. Three chicken shawarma meals, and this meal, and it was like 11 JDs, which is like what, $6-7. So yeah, that's insane. If you want to do that in America, we'd like, I don't know, spend $100, and it's not going to be that great. That's actually delicious. The sauce also has like corn in it. I was living in California. I tried so many shawarma places. None of them come close to the shawarma here in Amman, or like in the Levant in general. Like they don't even taste like shawarma there. I found this one place in California where I was living, where their shawarma is, kind of good, but that's it, and it's really expensive there. Today was the first day of school after winter break, and everyone is exhausted because our bodies, we need to readjust to the routine again. I tried to sleep early yesterday, I couldn't, and I woke up super early and I'm exhausted. I could do better with the fries. I don't know. The fries are not that great. This is one of the pros of living here, is that there's delicious food everywhere, and it's cheap, and you feel like you don't feel like it's junk, you know what I mean? Like, you feel like everything is I don't know, you just feel like everything's fresh. I give the sandwich 9 out of 10. It's really good.